As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacrom Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless falling and eventual dying. In the unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker. Good luck, kids.
Ratchet, you will have to capture all 3 nodes to extend the bridge.
Here's a chilling thought. Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial ground!
Hey, Ratchet, I've upgraded your bots to turn both cranks. Get close to a crank and press the right directional button.
You ever wondered what's in the special sauce?
According to Dread Zone show requirements, enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear green. Challenge objectives appear blue.
This match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic Grand X gelatin is definitely jiggling.
Give me something hard to do.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the area.
Don't forget to order the Dread Zone home game.
Ratchet, I am detecting a swing shot orb ahead. Jump towards it and hold down the fire button. Your swing shot will deploy automatically and carry you across the gap.
Team Darkstar simply won't give up! What do you know, folks? Ratchet has found the Landstalker!